As it was raining in the morning and the forecast was more rain, we opted to pay a visit to Lindau, which is a town about an hour's drive from Marktoberdorf. The original town was built on an island in the Bodensee and was close to the point where Germany, Austria and Switzerland meet. It has got a historic center and a few very nice churches. Parking is very easy, as you can park near the bridge which connects the island with the mainland. The old town hall was built in 1422 and it took 14 years to complete. It's very, very beautiful. Lindau is the capital of the Bodensee wines in the Bavarian area. The tower was built in 1380 and acted as a prison. And then there was coffee time and cake, of course. It's a beautiful church designed by Johann Caspar Bagnato, and it was built from 1748 to 1752, and everything and anything was decorated. Fabulous. The organ is amazing. It's got a total of 4,694 pipes on 3 different levels. The church had some disasters. In 1922 a fire destroyed the roof structure, and in September 27th to 28th, 1987 the ceiling collapsed. So the ceiling not only damaged obviously the ceiling, but also 2 altars and the historic organ. And it took 5 years to put it all back together again. The restoration manager was Joseph Loire, and he and his team managed to use about 60% of the original masonry in the restoration of the ceiling. And from the weather on the way home, it was clear that we made a good choice not to go cycling today.